Happy birthday, Annie.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 7.
7. Big boy. What are the things that you can do now?
I can eat by myself. I can take a bath myself. I can train pets myself. I
Wow.
can
Can you ride a cycle?
yeah.
Scooter?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You've lost your first tooth recently. Did the tooth fairy visit you?
No, not yet.
Why? What happened?
Because I was about to catch the teeth, but when I was brushing my teeth, it fell in the drain.
Oh no. So, you didn't get any gift from Tooth Fairy?
No, not yet.
What was the gift you were expecting from Tooth Fairy?
I was expecting a nice new dog.
Dog?
Yeah.
For the tooth?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how did you celebrate that day?
I celebrated that day by eating ice cream.
Ice cream? You like ice cream? What's your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor might be mango or chocolate.
Chocolate. Wow, nice. Okay. What are the things that you have learned in this homeschooling time?
I have learned how to cycle with 4 wheels at least.
Okay.
And I have learned to go speedily on the scooter.
Hmm.
And I have learned to do whatever.
Did you learn anything online?
Yeah.
What?
My school.
What about Rubik's Cube?
Yeah, I did.
You learned how to complete a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
Okay. What about Tirkural?
Yeah. I didn't learn it online. I learned it offline with my parents.
Oh, really? Okay, but you learned them, right?
Yeah.
What about football?
Yeah, I learned it myself.
You learned it myself. Who do you play with?
My daddy.
Your daddy. Very nice. What do you want to become after your school years?
I would become a zoologist.
Zoologist.
Yeah.
Why do you like being a zoologist?
Because I can care for animals and I know how to take care of all kinds of animals except wild.
Except
But-
wild.
Yeah, but I can learn how to train them.
Okay. You love animals. Which is the animal you like the most?
A dog.
A dog.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what was the gift you are expecting for the 7th birthday?
A dog.
A dog. Did you get it?
No, not yet. I might.
Why did you not get it? Because of Corona?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready for taking care of a dog?
Yeah.
Will you be able to take it for walking?
Yeah.
Can you do all that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I know that you make up a lot of songs on your own.
Yeah.
Do you remember any of the songs that you have made up?
I know just 2 lines.
Okay, say that.
Today I got a toy set, but Tiger's upset. Maybe that's all I know.
That's all you know. You made one about your mom also.
Yeah.
What is that?
But I don't remember actually what it is.
Okay, those 2 lines you remember, na?
Mom is the best, not a pest.
Then that's all you remember.
While we go to the bus,
Huh?
she drops us and picks us.
Wow, very nice. It's rhyming. You
Yeah.
made it on your own or somebody helped you?
I made it on my own.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
Art and training animals.
Training animals.
Yeah.
What kind of art?
Painting or drawing.
Okay. What do you draw?
I draw myself or my toys or my animals.
Okay, very good. Tell me one thing that you like each about Mummy, Daddy, and Kitu.
So I like Kittu because she always studies and sometimes only she comes and plays with me.
Okay.
And
What do you
then-
like? She likes that she studies all the time.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you like about Appa?
He every day comes and plays football with me, but he keeps on losing.
He keeps losing.
Yeah.
You have to teach him how to win.
Yeah.
Someday he will also learn and he will also win.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you like about Mummy?
Mummy, she always does care about me. If I do something wrong, she will immediately correct my mistake.
Okay. That's all.
Yeah.
Why do you like her so much? Why do you always keep coming behind Mummy?
Because you only are taking care of me, right?
Yeah. That's why you keep coming behind Mummy?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you miss the most in this lockdown time?
I miss all the animals because they keep on coming to our house, but they die very, very soon.
Which animal died?
Lot of insects die and a lot of all my pets die. Usually which streets and all, they come and then they come here and they die and go.
Do you have any of your favorite pets? Street pets?
Yeah.
What are their names?
There is only one favorite pet that I have in my whole pet.
Okay, what's his name?
Her name is Twisty.
Twisty?
Yeah.
Wow, very nice
And
name.
she's a cat.
She's a cat. What color was she?
She was a mixed breed.
Mixed breed. What color? Black, white,
She was black,
Huh?
grey and white.
white, yellow also?
No yellow.
No yellow? Okay. What about your friends? Do you miss playing with your friends?
Yeah.
Who's your best friend in school?
Gaurav.
Gaurav?
Not Gaurav, it's actually Gaurav.
Gaurav. Okay. So, how is second standard?
Second standard is nice. Some ma'ams are nice,
Huh?
some ma'ams are strict.
Strict. Okay. Strict ma'ams are not nice.
No, I never like strict people.
Don't like strict people. Mommy is strict, but you like her?
Yeah, because you take care of me.
Okay. So, what food do you like to eat?
I like to eat idli, chapati, dosa and some snacks called vadam and murukku.
Wow, vadam and murukku you like?
Yeah.
Okay. What about cakes, biscuits, chocolates?
I like chocolate cakes and theme cakes.
Theme cakes?
Yeah.
What is your favorite theme?
My favorite theme is dinosaur.
Dinosaur. So, who are these friends sitting next to you in the chair? Can you introduce them to us?
Yeah. So these are all of my dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Okay. So, Arnie and his basket full of dinosaurs.
Not basket. This is actually a box.
Okay, Arnie and his box full of dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Okay, introduce them.
This is Tori,
What kind of a dinosaur is it?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay.
This is Anki.
Okay. What?
He is an ankylosaurus.
Okay.
This is Sid. He's a Chilinosaurus.
Okay.
This is Bronchi.
Okay.
He's a Bronchiosaurus.
Okay.
This is Ovi. He's a Oviraptor.
Okay. What does oviraptors do?
Oviraptors steal eggs.
Steal eggs. Why are you keeping such a dinosaur as your pet?
They are not my pets actually. They are my friends, and I keep it because he doesn't steal.
Oh, okay.
This is Steggy.
Steggy.
He's a Stegosaurus.
Okay.
That's all I have. No, I have one more. That's
It's not coming out.
Yeah, it came. This is Parry.
Parry.
Yeah.
What is she?
She's not she.
Huh.
It's he.
Okay, what is he?
Parasaurolophus.
Parasaurolophus.
And they all might be talking actually.
Okay. They talk to you?
Yeah, they talk to everybody, but they talk.
Okay. Do you have any other imaginary friends?
They're not imaginary.
They're real. Okay. Who are the real friends sitting next to you?
But actually, they don't talk.
Okay. Hobbs. Do you have an imaginary friend by the name of Hobbs? Okay. Does he talk to you?
He doesn't talk, but imagine he talks.
Okay.
This is, I've not given him both of them a name.
Okay.
I just call whatever I feel like.
Oh, nice. Okay. So, I hope you have fun on your birthday.
Yeah.
And I wish you all the very best.
Yeah.
And you have to grow up stronger.
Yeah.
And I know you are very smart, but you still have to keep reading and improving yourself in everything and excel in everything that you do.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.